The video tutorial that we will be working on today is on solving linear equations. We need to know that a linear equation is a mathematical expression that has an equal sign and linear expressions. The variable is the number that you don't know. It's often represented by X or Y, but it can be any other letter as well. Let's do a couple problems on the board here. Okay. Let's see here. Our first problem we're going to do does not involve any negative numbers. It is 2x plus 4 is equal to 10. Now, when we solve linear equations, we want to get the x by itself. So the first thing that we would do is we need to subtract the 4. And we know when we subtract from one side, we also have to subtract from the other side. So that knocks out these 4's right here. So we are left on this side with 2x is equal to, and you'd do 10 minus 4, so you're equal to 6. Okay, and then you have 2x over here, and you still want to get x all by itself. So you would have to divide by 2. And then remember, if you do it to one side, you must do it to the other. So you're left with x is equal to 3. In order to check your answer, you need to have your original problem. So you're going to plug 3 in for x into your original problem. So here's what you'd have. You'd have 2 times 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. And you know in your parentheses, you do what's in parentheses first. So you have 6. No, 2 and 3 would combine to be 6. They would multiply. So you have plus 4 equals 10. And you have 10. Whoops, hold on, that was bad. Well, okay. 10 is equal to 10. So that one's correct. That is the right answer to that problem. Let's try another one. Let's see. The next one that we do is going to involve negative numbers. My eraser's about to quit on me there. Okay, so our next equation that we're going to have is 3x minus 4 is equal to negative 10. So we want the x again all by itself. The first thing, the easiest thing we could do, we have a negative or a subtract 4. So we are going to add 4 to this side. That would cancel out that 4, but we also must add 4 to this side as well. We end up with 3x on this side is equal to negative 6. We want the x all by itself. We must divide by 3 to both sides. These 3's cancel out, so you are left with x is equal to negative 2. In order to check that, remember, you must plug it back into your original problem. So you have 3 times negative 2 minus 4 is equal to 10. Okay, when you multiply a positive and a negative number, you end up with a negative number. So 2 times 3 is 6, and you have a negative. So it's going to be negative 6 minus 4 is equal to 10. Wait, negative 10, sorry. Put our negative here and put your negative here. Okay, and negative 6 minus 4 is negative 10, and negative 10 is equivalent to negative 10. So that one is good as well.